Today I'm making tender drumsticks. I have cleaned already and made a small pieces. Then one potato I have peeled it and made small pieces. Then grated coconut and jaggery little bit. Now masala I have to put, that is mustard seeds 3/4 spoon tablespoon. Then cumin seed 3/4 tablespoon. Then turmeric powder 3/4 tablespoon and Kashmiri red chili powder 3/4 tablespoon, and according to your taste you have to add salt. Now listen, this is drumsticks, very pro vitamins and tonic. You have to eat it all type of vegetables. Try to eat it and serve your children also. It gets a good taste. This is only I'm doing a veg means, not adding chopped onion, tomato like that. You can make it in other way also by masala vegetables. So I am now cooking this drumstick, tender drumstick vegetable. See, I have already added oil 1.5 spoon. Now I am putting mustard seeds, cumin seeds, then turmeric powder, then Kashmiri red chili powder. This much I am adding it. After that, you little bit add pinch of asafoetida, and I'll put this drumstick. Very easy recipe and fast recipe. Then this potatoes pieces, and just I'll see. Now you can add garam masala also. It gives a good taste. I'll mix it well. Now I am adding this jaggery and this grated fresh coconut, and just I'll mix it. I'm adding little bit half cup of water. According to the taste, I'm adding my this salt, and I'll mix it. I'm closing with a lid, so let it boil properly. This way I have made tender drumstick masala vegetables. This way I have made tender drumstick masala vegetables. If you like this recipe, you please try to share it, liked it, and write suitable comments to me. Thanks for watching this video.